Video. Today we're solving question 226, invert binary tree in LeetCode. So let's go ahead and learn code together. In this question we are given the root of a binary tree as our input, and our goal is to invert that binary tree and return its root. So essentially we need to mirror the, or I guess just switch the left side and the right side. So what we could do is we could just go to each subtree and reverse them, but that won't get us to our solution because we do need to flip the children as well. So let's get into our code and see how we can do that. So first we need to check for our base case, which is if root is none, is none, then we need to return our root. And then if it's not none, we can go ahead and say we're actually going to say root.left and root.right. We're just going to flip those values. So we're going to say root.left is equal to root.right, and then root.right is equal to root.left. Once we have done that, we're simply just going to recall or call this function recursively on the left and right subtrees of our binary tree. So we'll say self.invert binary tree root.left, and then self root.right. And then once we're done with that, we can simply return our root. So let's go ahead and run that. Works for those. Let's go ahead and make sure it works for all of our test cases. And it does. Awesome. So that is my solution to question 226, invert binary tree within LeetCode. If you guys learned anything at all, go ahead and leave a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. It really does help the channel out a ton, and I appreciate all the support you guys give me. All right, with that, have a good one, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.